Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. In this tutorial I will show you how to make several options of summer bags from your bag with a flap. I have such an old black bag. I easily and quickly made for it removable summer clothes. So friends, first you need to measure the width of the bag and the height you need in order to make removable parts for a specific bag. You should get a rectangle with your bag parameters. And I draw a visual diagram for example. I make a hole for the lock for convenience. So my design is complicated by details because my bag has additional decor. So friends, be sure to add extra fabric to the main pattern to fold it over and create a nice edge. In order to attach different parts to your bag, you can use different devices. For example, you can glue the patch permanently with fast glue if you need to hide a defect on the bag. Or you can use this double-sided tape for removable part. It holds well and is easy to remove. Or you can use simple paper clips. It's so easy. I made the first version of the overlay from burlap. This fabric is often sold in craft stores. I glued the edges of the burlap with quick glue, but you can also use double-sided tape or sew them on. I made an overlay with a hole and a part for fastening in this way. And in this easy way, I turned my old black bag into a stylish summer accessory. I really like this design, I love it. If you don't have burlap, Just use your scarf and double-sided tape in this easy way. And another cool options for summer is a crochet overlay. I love it. I crocheted this overlay in 2 hours. So friends, this crochet pattern is so easy and fast. Write comments if you want to know it. Thin natural yarn or raffia is well suited for such a crochet mesh. Dear friends, I kindly ask you to like and write a comment about which version of a summer bag you like best.